Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class, dear student of Shubhadra High School. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, today I am here to take your online class for the students of class 7. The subject name is English second paper. The topic name is punctuation. Okay, today I will teach you some rules of punctuation. I will discuss on board and you should write it on your paper, and I hope you all will try to understand it and try to practice it at your home. Okay, now I am discussing with you these rules. See it carefully and write on your paper these rules. Okay, I am now discussing it. It will have in your exam. Okay. Now I am discussing rule number 1, punctuation. After completing sentence, after completing sentence, you have to use full stop. Okay, now I am giving these rules. By these rules, you all will try to understand these rules. I will go there. I have completed this sentence so that I have used their full stop. After completing any sentence, we have to use their full stop. Try to understand by these examples. Yeah, and I hope you all will write it on your paper. Okay, rule number 2. In the case of abbreviation, you have to use their after abbreviation you have to use their full stop. Okay, now I am giving its example. Try to understand by this example these rules. Rita is a BA pass lady. Okay, this is a abbreviation. This is an abbreviation, dear student. So I have used their full stop. In every abbreviation situation, you have to use their full stop. Try to understand by these rules. Okay. Now I am giving the next rules. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. before starting any sentence, before starting any sentence, you have to use their capital letter. Before starting any sentence, you have to use their capital letter. I am giving this example. Try to understand by these rules. I am now starting a sentence. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Before starting this sentence, I have used their capital letter. Before starting any sentence, you have to use their capital letter. Try to understand by these rules, dear student. Now I am giving it another rule. Rule number 4. In the situation of any proper noun, you have to use their, in the situation of any proper noun, you have to use their capital letter. Okay, now I am giving its example. Try to understand by these rules. I know America is a beautiful country. Okay, this is a proper noun, so I have used their capital letter. Try to understand by these rules. Okay, now I am going to the next rules. I hope, dear student, you all will try it at your home, these rules, so that you can solve the punctuation marks in your next exam, in your coming exam. Rule number 5. You have to use question marks You have to use question marks. Asking any situation. Okay. Now I am giving its example. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? This is a question. What I am asking here? Okay, because of this situation I have used their question mark. Try to understand these rules, dear student. Okay. Now I am discussing rule number 6. In the case of vocative, you have to use their comma. Okay, now I am giving its example. Kamal, please come here. Kamal, this is the situation of vocative. So I have used their comma. Try to understand, dear student. Now I am giving rule number 7. 7. If we use more than one name in any sentence, if we use more than one name in any sentence, we have to use their comma. Okay, now I am giving its example. Rita, Nita, Geeta and Shifa are good friends. See, dear student, look at this situation. I have used there more than one name, so I have used their comma. Try to understand these rules, dear student. Okay, now I am giving your homework. Write your homework. Memorize this given rules with examples. Okay, dear student, I hope you all have understood these rules with examples, and I hope you all will try it and practice it at your home. Okay, no more today. Stay safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.